Uh, to finish the polymer segments, I'm going to talk about a new concept that IB has introduced, atom economy, and I think their intention is to get as much as they can closer to green chemistry and environmental friendly chemistry. Now, percent atom economy is really simple. It's a ratio. It will be given and provided to you in the data booklet. Definitely will come on this exam this year. And it's simply the ratio of molar mass of the desired product, it's important, divided by the molar mass of all reactants involved. And then it's going to say the degree of the waste we have in terms of atoms and the percent of atoms we use. For example, I have two questions related to organic. Now, the first one is saying compare the following to 1 and 2. Production of methyl chlorine or chloromethane by substitution of methane with chlorine, and then the second question is polyethylene from ethene. Now, this is the reaction of substitution. You have a methane, you have a halogen, you have a UV light, so it goes through some sort of free radical substitution. We're not going to worry about the mechanism, but in order to calculate this, so the percent atom economy, I will go after the desired product, which is methyl chlorine. So, and the molar masses I provided here, so I have 50.5, and since it's relative, you don't need the unit for it. Grams per mole is not needed. Divided by the total molar mass of the reactant, which if you add 16 and 71, you get 82, multiplied by 100. This will say 58% is your percent atom economy. This also has the complementary, which is 42% of the atoms are wasted. So this information, in addition to your percent yield, is going to decide how green is the reaction that you are playing with. And you can always modify it in order to get this number as close as you can to 100. Now, for addition polymers, for the second batch of questions, what is the percent atom economy of polyethylene divided by all the reactants? If you do this, you don't need to do it. It is the same. So you have the same molar mass. So molar mass of the product is same as molar mass of the reactants times 100. And this is 100% environmental friendly in this term, not depending on your percent yield. So 100% is your percent atom, and that means 0% waste of atoms or chemicals.